Hi there, my name is Stan, and in this video I'm diving into speed comparison between Java and Python, and you will see my talking head somewhere here or here on your screen. I explain why I decided to do that and what actually is running a bit later, but now let's run Java test first. Oof. As you can see, computational task Java went almost immediately. I/O operations went same fast as well. Data structure operations take some time. Yeah, as I said, I explain what is this test later in this video, because Java is almost done. Two more tests. Yeah, it's done. The result is expressive. So let's switch to the PyCharm and run some tests with Python. Here is the implementation of tests. It was written by Cloud AI. Yeah, let's start. Now we will have a bit more time, I suppose. Yeah. After spending over 5 years working with Java as an automation QA engineer, I am currently taking a data software engineering program focusing on Python. And I kept hearing people say that Python is slow. There are a lot of memes on this topic. And I wondered, is it really true? And if so, by how much Python is slower than Java? And I asked Cloud AI how to properly compare language performance, and it suggested focusing on 3 main categories that represent real-world programming tasks. First, computational tasks, things like mathematical calculations and algorithms. Second, I/O operations, reading and writing files, processing JSON and CSV data. And third, data structure operations, working with lists, dictionaries and strings. I run all these tests on my MacBook with an M4 processor. I will add screen. And I used Java version 21.0.7 and Python version 3.13.5. As I said, I asked Cloud to write comprehensive benchmark code for both languages, testing identical operations with the same data sizes. I ran the Java test in IntelliJ IDEA and Python test in PyCharm. Versions will be on screen. If you want to try this yourself, I can upload the complete code to a public GitHub repository. Just let me know in the comments if you're interested, and I'll add the link. And here I want to be clear, I'm not claiming this is a definitive source of truth about language performance. This test, I hope, give me an overall view of speed difference between these two languages. But your result might vary depending on your specific use case and optimizations. I'm not saying any language is better or worse. Maybe I'm comparing the wrong categories or drawing the wrong conclusions. Yeah, but I still think that this test can give us a high-level understanding. As I said, I started to learn Python a few weeks ago, and I like its simplicity. I don't know yet how its performance can affect projects that I want to start, but we'll see. As you can see, Python is pretty slower than Java, and I have to say I was genuinely impressed by Java's speed. Here I think I have to speed up a bit video because it already took some time and I don't have text prepared, and my English level, especially on camera, is not enough to fill this gap that Python is trying to finish the test. Yeah. Yeah, here we are. Python finished as well, and you can see the result on screen. 39 seconds for Java and over 5 minutes and 39 seconds for Python. That's quite a gap. Java is approximately 8.7 times faster than Python in these particular tests. Whew. So let me know what do you think about this test in the comments. I hope you like this video, and please check out my other videos on the channel. Peace.